Further afield for the moment, to the recovery efforts in Dominica in the wake of Hurricane Maria. This evening, there are fears that the death toll will rise to far more than has been confirmed so far. Officials, including Dominica's Prime Minister Ruth Skerrit, have been on the ground taking a closer look at the devastation. TVJ's Herman Green has that story.
A closer look at the key areas of the nature isle of the Caribbean shows that nature has not been too kind to them. Again, Prime Minister Roosevelt Skerrit was overcome as he walked among his people.
It has been heart-wrenching. I walked from my residence into the city, looking at the devastation, meeting people. I mean, everybody who I met, the homes were destroyed, completely washed away. You know, there's a lot of human suffering and people not knowing what tomorrow will bring.
According to Mr. Skerrit, Dominica's health facilities have been left worse than a war zone. Like most other facilities, the main hospital in the capital, Roseau, was left without power. The intensive care unit was destroyed and the dialysis machines were down because of the storm. The backup generator, which was also flooded, no longer works. There has been sporadic telecommunications service in a few areas. At least one person in Jamaica expressed fear that with the number of persons now missing, washed away by rivers, the death toll could easily increase to over 5 times the current figure of 15. Dominica depends heavily on its agricultural sector.
Gone completely. Even root crops, you know, who normally would survive a hurricane like this, have gone. So our hope is that we can get people, once we get access to the farmers and the farming community, is to immediately embark on short-term crops and ensuring that we can start feeding ourselves as quickly as possible.
Assistance has been trickling in from neighboring countries. Trinidad and Tobago announced that it would be relaxing immigration laws for 6 months for Dominicans who need shelter, provided they can prove that friends or family members in that country are willing and able to accommodate them. Jamaica has also indicated it will help. Herman Green, TVJ News.